Maths Class 9, Chapter 6, Lines and Angles, Exercise 6.3. Question number 1. In the given figure, sides QP and RQ of triangle PQR are produced to point S and T respectively if angle SPR is equals to 135 degree and angle PQT is equals to 110 degree. Find angle PRQ. We are given that angle SPR is equals to 135 degree, angle PQT is equals to 110 degree. We know that the sum of angle of a linear pair is 180 degree. So angle SPR plus angle RPQ plus angle RPQ is equals to 180 degree. And the value of angle SPR is equals to 135 plus angle RPQ is equals to 180 degree. So angle RPQ is equals to 180 minus 135 degree is equals to 45 degree. Similarly, angle PQT plus angle PQR is equals to 180 degree. Angle PQT plus angle PQR is equals to 180 degree. Value of angle PQT is 110 plus angle PQR is equals to 180 degree. So angle PQR is equals to 180 minus 110 degree is equals to 70 degree. So value of angle PQR is equals to 70 degree and value of angle RPQ is equals to 45 degree. Angle RPQ is equals to 45 degree and in triangle PQR by angle sum property, angle PQR plus angle RPQ plus angle PRQ is equals to 180 degree. So value of angle PQR is equals to 70 degree, angle RPQ is 45 degree plus angle PRQ is equals to 180 degree. So 115 plus angle PRQ is equals to 180 degree. So angle PRQ is equals to 65 degree. Therefore we can conclude that angle PRQ is equals to 65 degree. Question number 2. In the given figure, angle X is equals to 62 degree, angle XYZ is equals to 54 degree. If YO and ZO are the bisectors of angle XYZ and angle XZY respectively of triangle XYZ, find angle OZY and angle YOZ. We are given that angle X is equals to 62 degree, angle XYZ is equals to 54 degree. We need to find angle OZY and angle YOZ in the figure. From the figure, we can conclude that in triangle XYZ, angle X plus angle XYZ plus angle XZY is equals to 180 degree by angle sum property. So value of angle X is 62 degree plus value of angle XYZ is 54 degree plus angle XZY is equals to 180 degree. 62 plus 54 is 116 plus angle XZY is equals to 180 degree. So value of angle XZY is equals to 64 degree. Now we are given that OY and OZ are the bisectors of angle XYZ and angle XZY respectively. So angle XYO is equals to angle ZY is equals to angle ZYO. Angle XYO is equals to angle ZYO is equals to 54 by 2 is equals to 27 degree, and angle OZY is equals to angle XZO is equals to 64 by 2 is equals to 32 degree. So in triangle OYZ, angle OYZ plus angle OZY plus angle YOZ is equals to 180 degree by angle sum property. So value of OYZ used see in figure is 27 degree, value of OZY is 32 degree, plus angle YOZ is equals to 180 degree. 27 plus 32 is 59, plus angle YOZ is equals to 180 degree. So angle YOZ is equals to 121 degree. Therefore, we can conclude that angle YOZ is equals to 121 and angle OZY is equals to 32 degree. Question number 3. In the given figure, if AB is parallel to DE, angle BAC is equals to 35 degree and angle CDE is equals to 53 degree, find angle DCE. Find angle DCE. We need to find this angle. We are given that AB is parallel to DE. Angle BAC is equals to 35 degree. As you can see in the figure, angle CDE is equals to 53 degree. We need to find the value of DCE. So angle BAC is equals to angle CED is equals to 35 degree. This angle is 35 degree. Angle CED is equals to 35 degree because they are alternate angles. Then angle DCE plus angle CED plus angle CDE is equals to 180 degree by angle sum property. So value of angle DCE we need to find. So write angle DCE as it is, plus angle CED is equals to 35 degree plus angle CDE is equals to 53 degree is equals to 180 degree. So angle DCE plus 35 plus 53 is equals to 88 degree is equals to 180 degree. So angle DCE is equals to 180 minus 88 is equals to 92 degree. Therefore, we can conclude that angle DCE is equals to 92 degree.